doing a first impression for you guys. I have truly missed doing first impressions. These are sort of like my favorite videos to watch as well as to do. I just love the concept and everything. So today I'm going to be doing first impressions on this Lakme Blush and Glow face wash. Now I've seen so many ads going on of this on YouTube that I was like, I have to try it. So if I'm not wrong, this comes in 2 variants and this was launched way back as well, and they have sort of like relaunched it. That's what I think. So I have the variant strawberry. The other variant I think is peach, if I'm not wrong again. Now this retails for about 99 rupees for 50 gram, which if I do the math correctly is about 2 rupees per gram. Which reminds me, I have this really funny math joke. I'll post it right here, and if you are sort of that person as well, then leave a raise hand emoji in the bottom bar so that we can be part of the same clan. So anyways, coming back to the topic of this video, which is definitely not math. So I'm going to be doing a first impression on Lakme Blush and Glow face wash in the variant of strawberry. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a simple squeezy tube packaging. I'll read the claims first so that we have something to compare to when we are sort of like having the first impression of this thing right here, and I don't even know what this dance is. So anyways, so it says, crafted by Lakme salon experts, this gel face wash is infused with soft cleansing beads and strawberry antioxidants known to nourish skin. It gently cleanses the skin and effectively washes away dirt, impurities and pollution, leaving your skin with a blush-like glow. Now if you can see my skin right now, it's not in its best state simply because I've had a very exhausting day. I've also went to the gym and worked out and everything, so it has all sweat, grind, dirt, everything else. And I know a lot of you guys want to see my skincare routine, but the thing is that the routine that I was following was recommended by a dermatologist, and I do not want to like show you the products that were given to me under a certain prescription, because then if you guys like go out and buy it, because they are still over the counter sort of products, and if they do not suit your skin type, I don't want any bad reactions on you guys. So hopefully you guys will understand. But now I am off that routine, so I'm trying new products, seeing what works for my skin the best. So one more thing in the kitty. So basically it says it's gonna give you like a glow, blush, and just remove dirt and impurities, be gentle at it, and it has beads inside it as well. So let's just get started with washing this hot mess off a face. So I've already dampened my face. Now let me just squeeze out this face wash. It doesn't smell like strawberry. It smells more like Lakme's body lotions, if you've smelled those. It doesn't definitely smell like strawberries, and it does have like small beads, exfoliating beads sort of. And now I'm just gonna like apply it on my face. So these beads aren't like those clean and clear beads which like burst on your skin or like dissolve on your skin. These are more like exfoliant. It feels really creamy on the skin. It doesn't feel harsh at all, which is a good thing. By the way, Lakme is not paying me to do this video. They probably don't even know that I'm doing this video, so yeah. So I am just massaging this into my face in circular motions to make sure I get rid of most of the dirt, grime, sweat and everything that's clogged onto my pores. And I'm doing it gently. It might look a little harsh on screen, but I'm being extremely gentle with it. Yep, those beads still haven't disappeared. They're still there. So yes, you have sort of an exfoliating component attached to the face wash as well. And I do also feel slight cooling sensation on my face. Like my face feels cool. So I don't know if that's actually a feature or that's only because it's turning cold in Delhi. Don't know that. So once I have completely massaged this product into my face, I'm quickly just gonna wash this off. So this is what my face looks immediately after washing it off. It feels really soft, which is a nice thing. Again, I have certain cooling sensation on my face. Like whenever I fan it, I feel cool. Like not the cool like which you feel after just water on your face. Like extra cool once you like apply a mint face wash or something like that. so I do feel like a cooling sensation. I'm not too sure about glow and blush being there on my skin, to be very honest with you guys. It felt pretty much like a normal face wash, but I'm gonna wait for a couple of minutes and see if this like dries out my face or not. So even after my face being dried, this hasn't dried down my face, which is a good thing. So it's great for winters, I feel, because it's not going to dry you out even if you don't apply a moisturizer right away. But I do like the fact that it has given my skin a nice good exfoliation along with the face wash, and it feels really soft and smooth. Like my skin feels really soft and smooth. Again, I am not too sure, not too big on the glow and blush part because I don't really see that much. But as a normal face wash, I do feel that this is a nice face wash. It gives you soft skin and doesn't dry out your skin. So if that's something that you're looking for in your face wash, then nice pick right here. So yeah, that is my first review, first impression on Lakme Blush and Glow Face Wash with strawberry extracts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know which other products you guys would like to see first impressions on. I would love to do first impressions for you guys, and I'm just gonna go and complete my nighttime skincare routine, apply all creams and everything, and go off to sleep. So yes, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys super soon. Till then, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media to keep up with me even more than what I am here on YouTube, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.